Hello friends, here I'm seeing one neutral bearish and one least bearish. That's why I trade liar, because the next candle will be a bearish candle, and also here is a resistant zone, a strong resistant zone. So the candle will retrace from this level and this will be a winning trade. This is a downtrend and I'm seeing an inverted hammer. So the next candle will be a bearish candle here. Let's see what happened. Always try to trade following candlesticks. This will give you almost 100% winning ratio. In this pair, the trend is also downtrend, and from previous candle I see this is a strong support zone. This is a strong support zone, and I hope a strong retracement from this level. That's why I trade upper. Thank you guys.